What is up, you guys? It's your girl Tori Aaliyah, and I am back with another video. Today we're gonna be trying out this wig right here. It is by, let's see, it is by Outre. It's the lace front wig, and the shade is a dark, no, it says DR Copper Orange. So I've been wanting to try like a copper colored hair for a while, and I saw like girls doing it, but I didn't want to buy like human hair yet until like I was sure I liked the color. So I decided to get a synthetic, and the sites online, they're all sold out. So I had to go to my beauty supply store and cop this one. So yeah, we're gonna try it on. It's actually like it's a T part, so it's only this part in that you see up top, but it's really cute and the curls are really good. So we are gonna see how it fits. Now let me show you how it looks inside. So like I mentioned earlier, it's T part, so it only has this part in space inside, and then it has like a tiny amount of space like at the front, so you're not working with much. You see me looking down, I'm using a mirror. So yeah, I already sprayed it a bit with the lace tint that I have. So let me show you what lace tint I have. I have the lace tint spray in golden. This one is by the brand, I think it's called Tish. Right, and I got it in golden, and I like this one. So I'm gonna spray it like around the lace that's gonna be shown at the front. And I already sprayed it in here. That's why it looks so brown. So let's see. So what you do is like you just hold it slightly away from the lace and then you spray it. I'm not gonna spray the whole lace because like I said, we're not working with much. But yeah. So that's all you need, and this works with my skin tone pretty nicely. So yeah. And I'm gonna go ahead and take this off. So like I said, this is the wig. It just came in like one of these bags, but if I can find one online, I will link it. But it might not, there might not be this shade because people have been buying out all the copper tone, ginger toned hairs for fall. So let me brush it out and then see if it fits on my head. Y'all, I have not worn a synthetic wig in forever. Like, I don't think I've ever actually worn a synthetic wig now that I think about it. I've worn like I've done sew-ins, but not like synthetic wig. Let's try it on, see how it looks. I'm gonna tighten the cap. So yeah, this comes with like a comb in the back, and then it comes with 2 combs at the front on each side. And then it does have like a few baby hairs at the front. So it actually looks pretty cool though. It looks nice. I love the color. Like, the color is mad nice. Let me take my earbuds out. Alright. Now I'm gonna start, you know. Honestly, I'm not doing too much as far as like gluing this down. I'm just probably gonna do like this part, but let me just, I'm gonna take it off and then cut it, because like I said, it's not much lace to work with anyways, so you kind of just have to just cut off what's there. And I'm using a razor to cut it. Alright y'all, so I'm just letting it sit there for a little while. In the meantime, I love this color. I love this color, y'all. It's nice. See, I've always wanted to rock a like a copper or ginger look, but I've always been scared. But like this is nice. This is nice. And this wig is, it feels great. And I just love the curls. That's really what I love about it, the curls. And then I'm gonna just let this sit for a while. And then I'm gonna do the baby hairs and get back to you guys. All right. So it seems like it's down somewhat. I think I need to spray a bit more here, but I don't think I'm going to. I'm just gonna I'm gonna remove the excess. Like I said, I'm not gluing down the edges because I don't have time. And like I said, this wig, while it is like my hairline, for all the girls with like low hairline, frontals can be a bit hard to glue down. They can be a bit hard to glue down. So usually if I don't have to glue them down, I don't, and I'm not going anywhere. So we're just gonna do the baby hairs and then fix the part in a bit so it looks more realistic. Alright you guys, so now I'm gonna add some concealer to it just to make the line, you know, blend a bit more. Alright, so this is a finished look. So I just glued it down at the front. I was gonna do the baby hairs, but I feel like I shouldn't. I feel like it looks better without, you know, adding the baby hairs and everything. So I'm just gonna leave it. I didn't glue down the sides, but if you want, you can. Like, there is space. I always have a difficult time gluing down like the flaps of wigs because of my hairline so low. But yeah, I like it. The color is really nice. The wig does shed a bit, I will say, you know. I don't know if you can see it, but it does shed. So I wouldn't recommend, you know, you sleeping in it and doing all that. I would recommend you take it off at night. But I think in total I paid, where is it? I paid $34.99 for this wig. So I think it was a pretty good deal. $35, it's not bad. And I'm gonna try to find a link for y'all because it's a nice wig. Like, I like the color. So I'm definitely gonna be getting a color wig like this that's actually human hair. But yeah, tell me what you guys think. And if you have any questions, comment down below and I'll answer them. And I will see you in my next one. Bye.